Hey everybody, this is Mark, and I think it's about time we build a computer. I've always kind of been interested in building my own computer, but I've never really had a purpose or use for one. And I've been on the idea of making one for the past 3 or 4 years now. And I think I finally come up with the perfect solution for pricing of getting one and also reasons for getting one. So about 3 years ago, I wanted to make a computer that was going to be my new Mac. I had the MacBook Air. It was fine, but it wasn't great for video editing. So that's when I decided to make my very own Mac. I did a bunch of research. I made tons of part lists, and I think I found the perfect one. It was actually kind of based off of the Mac Pro, which I do have now. So I knew the parts would work with Mac OS. It was just trying to get them to work with the operating system was the problem. Eventually I kind of gave up on the idea and I got a Mac Mini instead, and then now I have the Mac Pro, which I've always really wanted. But that was kind of what I originally wanted, was to make my own Mac. Now I have the Mac of my dreams. I have what I want. And I'm still not a big fan of Windows, and I was not then either, which is why I didn't want to make a Windows computer. But I think I finally decided that I should give Windows a try, maybe not as a main machine, but to at least use Windows on something that has good performance. I've never really used Windows on a computer that was good, so maybe my experience will be different. But I am going to be making a budget computer. I am going to be using parts that I already have from older computers, maybe, or different stuff that I use today, and a bunch of other budget pieces. And I'm going to be making this computer, which is strictly for gaming and using Windows. And I've been able to purchase all of the pieces for less than $400. So I said I'm going to be using it for gaming. I'm not a gamer, but I just picked this up and I want to try to play some games. I got Steam on the Mac Pro using Parallels, and it's not that good. So I figured, why not give it a try for once? I've never really gamed before, and why not do it on a good computer? So all of the parts and pieces have been ordered. Everything is ready to go. Everything has been shipped and it's en route to the office. I'm not going to go into specifics about the parts because that's going to be another video, and that's kind of one of the things I wanted to introduce about this project was the fact that we're going to be making a whole little series about this. So about 3 or 4 videos maybe about my process of building my very first computer. I've kind of taken old computers apart and put them back together, so I know how to do this, but this is the first time I've ever made one from scratch. And installing the operating system and then doing a bunch of other stuff to the computer. So it's going to be like a little series. So the next video is going to go into specifics about what parts we're going to be using and what we're going to be doing. So keep an eye out for that. Should be coming in the next couple of weeks. Like I said, everything is already purchased and is shipped. So in the coming weeks, you should see a video about the whole overview of the parts and what we're going to be doing. Just to give you a little idea, we're going to be using the brand new Kaby Lake processors on a pretty fancy motherboard that has USB-C ports and a powerful yet tiny graphics card. That's all I can tell you for now. Be sure to stay around for the channel so you don't miss that next video and all the other stuff in this whole series. But there you have it. Thank you guys so much for watching as always. I'm super excited to build my first computer, and I hope you guys are as well. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any more episodes. This is Mark with I'll Talk One Tweet, and I will see you in the next one.